So our project is looking at air quality inside homes with a particular focus on black mould and the conditions where black mould grows, trying to help with ventilation and to educate people as to the things that they can do, simple things that they can do to prevent the danger of black mould forming inside the home. So our project initially started by analysing about 1,000 sensors in homes which were already installed by West Dunbartonshire Council. What we have done is put some supplementary sensors in place, both indoors in people's homes, but also outdoors along the main traffic routes and various areas around the Clydebank area in Glasgow. That allows us to look at how external pollution affects indoor spaces, but also to look very carefully at what the activities within the indoor spaces is doing to air quality as well. As part of the project, we are producing some educational materials. That is the main thrust of the outputs from the project. We want to try and communicate something about how people can do simple things to make their lives healthier. As part of that, we're actually producing a short animated film, which will feature all of the things that we've discovered during the study and try and encourage people to take those actions and also explain the benefits that they will get from doing those simple things every day.
What's so exciting about it is, I guess West Dunbartonshire's been really innovative. We're the first landlord to go for a full stop rollout in Scotland. So we're kind of the first local authority to take this kind of approach, and we're probably one of the first to have such a big potential data set that we're building up about sort of temperature, humidity and carbon dioxide in our homes. And so this project is exciting because it's kind of using that data to inform how we communicate with tenants, and I think that's what will benefit with them, is helping us make our communications better. The information around pollution is topical for everybody, and understanding what the pollution levels are like in your local area and how that impacts upon your house is really key, because pollution does impact on indoor air quality, it does impact upon quality of life and health and well-being. So kind of that element of understanding pollution levels and how much does come in when you open your window, I think can have a real impact across the city region and further afield. So I mean, we're generating a lot of information using our sensors, and the information and analysis we've done as part of this project could help others with managing their damp and mould complaints, help them understand maybe some of the causes and some of the impacts it has. And then crucially also, like, some of our damp and mould materials that we're producing, including the video, can be used by other people. So hopefully it's saving everybody else a step. And also like improving not just sort of tenant education, but just wider education about how to manage condensation and moisture in your home.
Vodafone were delighted to partner with Scotswolds and West Dunbartonshire Council to look at this particular damp and mould air quality monitoring project within West Dunbartonshire Council. Damp and mould issues are affecting lots and lots of people throughout the UK, not just in West Dunbartonshire. West Dunbartonshire have been super innovative in terms of their approach to looking at how they can tackle this within their social housing. What they need to do now is look at how they then capture that data and relay that data back to the tenants within the home. And this is where Vodafone has been super important in supporting this part of the project. Working with Scotswold and Cambridge environmental consultants, we're able to understand the data, analyse the data, and then create a path of understanding so that we can then relay that back to the community and tenants and support that healthy living within the home beyond the project.
I'd also just like to thank the partners that have worked with us on this project. That would be Vodafone, but also researchers at Cambridge University. I'd like to thank Glasgow City Region and DSIT as well for the funding which made this project possible.